Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion i9 RTX 4080 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're in the market for a powerhouse gaming desktop that can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's high frame rate 4K gaming, heavy content creation, or serious multitasking, then the Lenovo Legion i9 RTX 4080 Super Ultimate Gaming Desktop deserves your full attention. Let's start with performance, because this machine is a beast. At the heart of it is the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor. This is a top-of-the-line 24-core, 32-thread CPU, capable of reaching speeds up to a staggering 6.0 GHz thanks to Intel's Turbo Boost technology. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, streaming, or running CPU-heavy applications like Blender or Unreal Engine, this chip ensures everything runs buttery smooth. It's built to deliver elite-tier computing power that remains responsive even under extreme loads. Paired with this monster of a processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super GPU with 16 GB of GDDR6X memory. This is one of the most powerful graphics cards available on the market today. It's a dream for serious gamers and content creators alike. The RTX 4080 Super handles ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, AI-enhanced rendering, and 4K gaming with absolute ease. You can expect frame rates well above 100 FPS in most AAA games at ultra settings. It also supports real-time ray tracing, which gives your games hyper-realistic lighting and shadows. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, and Starfield look and play stunningly well on this machine. Let's talk memory and storage. This Legion desktop comes with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz or higher. That's more than enough for any current game, plus streaming, background applications, and multitasking with no lag. It's also future-proof for the next several years. The 1TB PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD ensures rapid boot times and lightning-fast load speeds, whether you're loading into massive open worlds or transferring huge files. There's also room for additional storage if you ever need it. When it comes to connectivity and expansion, the Lenovo Legion does not disappoint. It includes 7 high-speed USB Type-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and multiple legacy USB 2.0 ports. Perfect for all your peripherals, controllers, VR gear, and more. Display output options are plentiful with HDMI and 3 DisplayPort connections, giving you flexibility for multi-monitor setups. Add in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for fast, reliable wireless connectivity, and you've got a future-ready machine. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, offering a modern, fluid interface that's ideal for gaming and productivity alike. Everything feels snappy, secure, and intuitive, especially when paired with this powerful hardware. A standout feature of this package is the inclusion of the Machenike mechanical gaming keyboard. It's not your average throw-in accessory. This keyboard features out-EMU hot-swappable mechanical switches, which means you can customize the typing experience exactly how you want it. Whether you're into fast linear switches for FPS or tactile ones for typing, this keyboard can adapt. It has an RGB lighting setup that's not only eye-catching, but fully programmable to match your gaming aesthetic. Design-wise, the Legion sports a sleek, aggressive chassis in a minimalist gray tone, complete with RGB accents. The ventilation is optimized for airflow, and it includes high-performance cooling, so thermal throttling is never an issue, even during extended gaming sessions. Whether you're gaming for hours or rendering a large video project, the internals stay cool and efficient. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion i9 RTX 4080 Super Gaming Desktop is a premium, high-performance machine made for serious gamers, streamers, and professionals who demand the best. With cutting-edge hardware, advanced cooling, generous RAM and storage, and excellent build quality, it's ready to dominate everything from esports to AAA blockbusters. If you want power, speed, and future-proof reliability all packed in a beautifully engineered desktop, this might just be your next ultimate gaming rig.